Hi children, welcome to our class 6 subject science chapter 5 materials and things. We use different materials for different purposes, depends on their properties. Today we are going to learn the topic is properties of materials. What type of material can you use to make a window when you don't want someone to see through it? Opaque material used to make a window when we do not want someone to see through it. What type of material can you use to make a window when you want to see through it? Transparent material we used to make a window when we want to see through it. Can you make a cricket ball with mud or glass? No. If we make a cricket ball with mud or glass, it will break. Can you make a chair with glass or mud? No. If we make a chair with glass or mud, it will break when we sit on it. Let us discuss the properties of materials and their usage. We begin with properties of material that we easily recognize. Transparency is the one of the property of material. Why do shopkeepers usually store eatables like sweets and biscuits in glass jars? The shopkeeper wants his customers to be able to see these items. We all know that we can easily see through glass. Such materials are said to be transparent. Transparent materials. When light passes straight through a material, that material is transparent. Transparent materials you can see completely through. What is the other side of the object? We can see through the transparent material. Can you see through plastic? Can you see through wood? We can't see through some materials like wood, cardboard, steel. Such material are said to be opaque materials. Opaque objects. Objects that do not allow any light to pass through them are called opaque objects. Opaque objects. What are the properties? Heavy weight paper. What are the examples of opaque objects? Cardboard, aluminum foil, mirror, bricks, buildings, your eyelids, hands, solid wood door. All of these objects are opaque because light can't pass through them at all. They cast a dark shadow. What are translucent materials? Materials that allow only some light to pass through. Objects allow light to pass through, but they scatter the rays so much that you cannot get a clear view of what is on other side. For example of translucent materials are thin fabrics, frosted glass, thin paper. Translucent materials, only part of the light can pass. Light rays separate into different actions. We see blurred objects through translucent materials. Activity 3. Identifying transparent and opaque objects from the table 4. Table 4. Some of the objects are here. Are they transparent or opaque? You can identify it. Plastic. It is a opaque object. Glass jar, transparent. Steel plate, opaque. Mirror, transparent. Wooden door, opaque. Polythene bag, it is a translucent. Paper, translucent. Thank you, my dear children.